Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to create designs in bulk on Canva. So the first step is to simply open Canva on your device, and then you have to simply search for what do you want to design. So you can use templates if you want, and basically what you have to do next, so I'm gonna go with social media, and then I'm gonna use this template here. And then what you have to do is simply create your page. So you're gonna have only one page. So I'm gonna delete this here. And then what you have to do next is simply change the design. So you'll have to simply add text or images depending on what do you want to create. And then basically what you have to do next is simply click on duplicate page. And as you can see, you'll be able to copy this exact same design, and you can easily edit them out. Now, if you want, you can simply add elements. As you can see on the left side, you have elements, and you have graphics, you have stickers, you have photos, videos, audio, charts, and much more that you can easily use. So I really recommend you to use frames, because basically what you can do with them, you can simply drag them over here. And let's say you want to use the same design and add a different, let's say, image. So you have to simply copy, and then you can go and then simply add your photos. You can simply drag and drop them, as you can see, very easily and very fast. And if you go to elements, you can see that they have a lot of frames. So you can basically choose from any of these. So as you can see, they have devices, they have film and photo, so you can use them for your Instagram or your social media account. Now, if you want, you can add text. So if you can go to the text section, and you can even use these presets if you want, or you can simply add a text box, and then here you can simply change the design. And as I said, after you create your main design, you can simply click on copy on duplicate page, and then you can create as many duplicates you want, and then you can easily edit them. Now, after you've made you created your design, what you have to do next is simply click on share, and then here you have to simply click on download, and then here this is file type. Make sure to choose PNG, because this is the highest quality possible. And then another thing that you can do, you can simply change the size. So basically this will be 3 times higher in terms of resolution, and of course the file will be way bigger. So if you want a smaller size, you can simply leave it like this default. If you want, you can check transparent background, and if you want, you can compress file, but as you can see, you're gonna have lower quality. And as you can see, you have here select pages. So basically you can select your design. So let's say you want to download only the first 3 designs. You can simply uncheck this box here, and then you can simply, so let's check all of them, and then simply disable this, and then simply choose only the first 3 designs, and the other 3, the remaining 3, I'm not gonna download them. Then simply click on download, and then simply click on download again, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.